So where were you guys at about 1:47 yesterday afternoon? Did you feel that? Some people called it a tremor, some people called it a shake. You didn't feel it. Where were you at 1:47?
I was in halfway tree and I didn't feel it. My sister called and
Were you driving?
Nope, I just didn't feel anything. So I don't know. But my sister called and said she had it rough. So the house was shaking like crazy.
It was scary. It was. When I heard 3.3 yesterday, I said that never sound right. But now they're saying it was 4.6. Affected mainly eastern parishes. 1:47, epicenter recorded 4 kilometers east of Angels in St. Catherine. Tremor was felt mainly in Old Harbour, Portmore, and Spanish Town in St. Catherine, as well as Kingston and St. Andrew. This is according to the earthquake unit at the University of the West Indies. But they say callers from as far away as Clarendon and St. Mary reportedly felt the tremors as well.
I didn't feel it. And my sister said she not only felt it, she heard it. Some people, I remember the last one we had that was pretty decent. I didn't feel that one, but I heard that one.
Heard the rumbling.
Yeah, you kind of.
My bathroom window went pow! Think like somebody was mashing it up or something. I was like, what was that?
Break?
It not broke, but it shook like it was gonna break. That's when I realized that something had happened. Because to be quite honest,
if it did break.
Why you want to know if my battery window break? Exactly.
So I could come and help you to fix it.
Is that stockings, you know? No, is that proper straight stockings.
No, it's your life.
You sure it's not you flying a stone into the window? Yes.
It's my bona fide sister. I asked her if it breaks, because I would want to come in and to help you sort it out.
I'm sure you would. But I would have to call somebody who actually can fix a window.
I can, but first I have to come and see the location.
Yeah, you have to survey.
You have to survey the thing.
And then how you fix a window? How you fix a window?
You just bring an next one and
that's nice. You sound like an expert.
Of course, I is.
I'm so happy
first
that Kids Bailey is going to be here.
Where it is exactly, so and the size of it, and so we can organize.
The window is in my bedroom.
No, that one I want to fix for sure. No man, that one. But you need to fix that. You need to fix it.
I just tell you never mash up though, you know.
Oh, that one never mash up?
I just tell you, it did not. It was not destroyed.
It's a mash up one I want to fix. It can be scary, folks, and there's...
I agree.
There's no way that you even know it coming. So it's not like you can say, all right, brace for this one. 4.6. So hopefully everyone is okay and your homes are all right. New vice presidents take front seats at the PNP conference. Damien Crawford, Michael Phillips, and Philip Paulwell, because I think Michael McNeil was already a vice president. So Damien, Michael, and Philip are now vice presidents of the 80th, well, it was at the 80th annual conference, which means they're 80 years old.
Surprise there for quite a few people.
Yep.
No Brownberg, no Ferguson. Yep. And Damon Crawford is in, which is interesting.
Yeah, I think Angela Brown-Burke would have been a big surprise that she never made it. And some of the ladies were saying, well, where are the women in all of this? You know, just 4 men in charge.
We'll see what happens from here, because they said they're renewed, invigorated and energized, and ready to do what they need to do to hold the reins of the country again. So, and not only did Crawford get into the VP position, you know, he had the most votes. Incredible. I saw him tweet yesterday. I don't even know what to do with myself today. Anyway.
And the leader, Dr. Peter Phillips, says the government have more scandals than Riverton City dump have scandal bag. And then we have the super scandal, the Petrogam scandal. Oh, there you go.
Right.
Politics.
Where we going now? China?
Is that where we go?
I don't know. Spencer's?
No, Spencer's Tailoring.
Okay.
So they provide work for disabled youth for more than 20 years, I'm told, which is just fantastic.
Did it Spencer's for over 20 years, or did this lady, Sophia
for more than 20 years.
Sophia Hay, what about the future of her son?
Yep, you're right.
He was diagnosed with autism.
Yep.
Less worried about him now because he is now gainfully employed in his dream job as a tailor, which is fantastic, and that is at Spencer's. I have to big up Spencer's, you know, because a lot of folks don't want to employ anybody with disabilities. So this is good to hear.
Fantastic.
Great news to hear. China evacuating millions. More than 3 million people have been moved to safety in southern China as Typhoon Mangkhut moved northwards and continued to wreak
Look at
havoc
that. Look at that.
across the region. I saw some footage yesterday. It was blowing people.
Yeah.
Made fall in Guangdong, China's most populous province. Wow. And when you look at the news, all you can really see is Florence.
Mm-hmm.
You know, there are things happening in other parts of the world as well.
Yeah, where was it in the Philippines that 64 people died or something like that? Yep. Oh.
If this is not climate change, I don't know.
All right.
All over the world.
But I have 435 birthdays.
Is that all?
Yeah, again.
Okay.
Let me start. This one was belated. I got it late on Friday, so it's not my fault. The great Basilia Barnaby Cuff, whose birthday was on Friday.
Hi, Bas.
Hey, Bas,
Bas is one
I
of my
hope you had a
former
great
students.
day. It's coming from your husband, Brian, and the rest of the family, and from us here. Hope you had a brilliant day. We wish you many, many more. Belated to Simone Brown. Where is Simone? Simone, I'm coming. Wait a moment.
I'm right here.
It's not you, my friend.
Oh.
Okay. Here is Simone Brown. There you go. It's coming from Grace Irving and the JUTC staff, Greater Portmore. And belated birthday also. I'm going to move this one and go to Camille Irving, who is the outstanding Alex Marshall's mom. Happy birthday. Hope you had a great one from your sister Terry and from your son and from me. And whose birthday? Sharon Shortop, my bona fide.
Shrizzle.
Yeah, man. Gabriel Morrison, happy birthday, Gabriel. This is coming from your mom, Joan. I won't put your age. I have your age here, but maybe you don't want nobody to know your age, so I will hide your age. There is Gabriel. From your mom, Joan, who's my good friend. I think I have one more now.
Quick time, no man, come have something to show.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, the great Benji. Benji daughter. I forget.
Is your daughter today, Benji?
Yeah, it says coming from Daddy, who is Benji, brother Alex, sisters Brittany and Armani, Aunt Melissa, Aunt Sharon, and Grandma Shirley. But me have to show the great Benjamin. Look at his daughter there.
She can't be right there, Benji.
She don't look
Is
like.
it? Oh,
it's
nice.
not Benji daughter. Benji too light. It's not Benji daughter.
She's a
And
cutie.
happy birthday to Keon's dad. Keon's, what's your dad's name? Errol Vaz. Happy birthday, sir. It's from your daughter.
Lots of
Keon.
birthdays today.
Yeah, I think, don't I do everything?
Well, if you haven't, you do the rest when you come back. September 17, if you're having a birthday today, happy birthday to you!
Who know the way